Qingdao Huashida is a professional manufacturer specializing in anti-corrosion coating equipment, primarily engaged in the research, development, and customization of various pipeline anti-corrosion production lines, such as L3PE anti-corrosion coating lines, FBE internal and external anti-corrosion coating machines, and steel pipe internal coating lines. The anti-corrosion pipeline production range spans from 50 millimeters to 4,000 millimeters. To date, the company has sold 496 sets of pipeline anti-corrosion equipment and is a renowned manufacturer in China. It provides major anti-corrosion equipment for steel pipes to companies such as China National Petroleum Corporation, CNPC, Sinopec, Rosneft, National Iranian Gas Company, and Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation.